And this.
Wait lang, ako na.
Why?
Game.
Game? Okay, I'll go do it myself. What's this?
You put makeup.
Okay. Wait, what did you say? Do I need to do?
Oh, you close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes, ha?
Okay.
Close your eyes
Okay.
first.
I'm Snowy. I'm gonna be really pretty. I was over the ice. Why is this Snowy? What did you
Wait
say?
lang. You close your eyes first. Ganyan.
Yeah. I make up the jewelry. And I didn't.
Here.
What's so many?
It's so many though.
Makeup?
Makeup.
What shirt to mommy did it pretty for?
Pretty.
Yes.
Gabi niya. Kuko yung gabi pag... Hindi.
Hey,
Bisa magkatag ako.
I said me stays there.
Maliligo pa ako.
Stays there. Sabi mo.
Maliligo pa ako. Ay, bisa mo.
Wow, ganda. You show.
Wow, I'm pretty boy. What about the eyes?
Oh, wait. Lagyan mo na shadow.
Wait.
Oh, you close your eyes.
Okay.
Nasaan kaya yung maliliit kong brush?
Done.
Oh, alam niya.
I told
Close your
you.
eyes.
Which one mine?
Oh, you want...
I want this one.
Okay. But we'll let us put color first before ano. You close your eyes.
Nandito na.
Close your eyes muna. Kasi malaki
I
itong...
sure they're not pretty boy.
Oh, lalagyan na natin. Oh, ayun na, ayun na.
Glitters.
Oh, I sure.
Ay, puto.
My eyes hurt. I'll try again. I'm not done.
Close your eyes.
Nag-glitters na. Ano na? Baka pumasok sa mata niya.
Teko na nga yung ano ko. Yung...
Hello.